Alright guys, so this is my final report on our project, and as you can see I have a cover page. It doesn't need to be in a folder, it's fine if it's not. Oop. Sorry about that. We just need a title, maybe some artwork out here, and your group members' names. Then on the inside, I just went through and I answered each question. So this is the answer to question 1, which up here I'm kind of summarizing what the question wants me to answer. And to know what I'm trying to answer there, I used part 4, or day 4, that I gave to you guys. So day 4 is question number 1. I'm kind of answering all these questions in this summary and showing my work and showing the graph. Okay, you can see even I made an error, and like I was not about to rewrite all this, so it's okay if it's a little messy, but try to be as organized as you can be. Question 2, again, I looked at day 2 to answer all these questions here, and I summarized it up here in my summary. I showed my work down here, and this one kind of had to do with 2 triangles. Okay, and then your bonus question I did on the last page. So the bonus question has to do with all of these things down here. I summarized it up here. There wasn't much work to show, and then I had my picture down there. Now, kind of after looking through all that, I want to go through each of these parts. So day 1 I gave you this, which has our 2 questions and the bonus at the bottom. And it gives you a general picture that you can go off of. It also tells you some information at the side. Now, part 1, right here, goes through and I answer question by question, and I'm drawing a triangle and all that. Part 2 is answering another question, and then part 3 answers the final one. Again, part 4 is just summarizing question 1, 2, and 3. So I should note, because somebody asked this, day 1 does not necessarily go with question 1. Day 1 does go with question 1, 2, or the bonus. You have to figure it out. Day 2 goes with question 1, 2, or the bonus, and so on. So hopefully that helps. I know there's some worry there. Just try to make it look as nice and easily readable as possible. If we don't have a cover page, it's not the end of the world. I just want your work to be neat so that I can find it. I want a good summary of about a sentence or 2 per question. And then I want to make sure that your triangles look good. Okay, good luck.